Okay, here we go. Fingerstrong.com. Fingerstrong YouTube channel here with a review of something I've been meaning to do for a long time. I keep forgetting about this bad boy, and I carry this pretty much everywhere I go. It's the basic old school Gerber Bear Grylls survival kit. It's even got a little signature on it. I don't know if they even sell these anymore. I imagine you can still get them online. I'll put a description below on Amazon where you can get this. I have this on me pretty much wherever I go. This is just my little emergency insurance bag here. As you can see, it's about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 inches by 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 by 4. You know, if my math is right. And it's a hard plastic with a wax zipper, so the contents will stay dry. Little lanyard here. That's a whistle. So that's pretty cool. On the back, it has some instructions. You know, in case you're trying to signal a plane, I guess. Oh, no, needs medical assistance laying on the ground. Maybe you're napping. I don't know, Bear. You know more than I do. Let's open it up and get right to it. So open it up. Oh, by the way, I've done some modifications to this. I've had it so long. Open it up. And you got a little Ziploc bag. All right. What else I got in here? Dang, I thought I had that in there. With the other side. Little Ziploc bag here. This is what it comes in the kit. Golly. You know, freaking PhD. Oh, okay. Just not that smart. LED flashlight. As you can see, I've never taken it out of the package. Does it still work? Might have a little safety tab on it somewhere. Get out of here. Don't need that. Oh, cool. Little cotton swab here for starting a fire. Little tool here. Nice. This is the Gerber clutch. Very small. What is that? 3 inches? That's right. Little ring on it. Blade. It's labeled. Nail file. You can see that. Pretty cool. Ah, cute little pair of pliers with the spring action. Nice. I guess that's a little cut. Yeah, a little cutter right there. Yoink. Yes, Gerber tool, man. You can't go wrong with that. Let's have inside tools. Nope, all the tools on the outside. All right. We got a little pair of built-in tweezers. Yoink. A little built-in screwdriver? Piercer, maybe? What are you on this side? Oh, there it is. Little factory sharp laser cut knife. What else I got? Oh, here we go. Little can opener flathead screwdriver. Little Phillips head screwdriver right there. Yeah, real nice. Real nice. Nail file. AK fishing hook sharpener. And a little fingernail cleaner, maybe? I guess your fingernails are very important in a survival situation. Okay, so I can get, like I said, a little piece of cotton. Little wax string, like dental floss. Little bank cord. Okay. Ah, little pocket guide. It's actually kind of useful. I mean, if it tells you to drink your own pee, then we're in, Bear. Ah, it's got some knots. It's got some filtration, solar stills, watch how found north, little trap guides, signal, shelters, how to start a fire. Okay, yeah, that's good to have. This is not waterproof, which is, I guess, good. If this is waterproof, that'd be the bomb. Start a fire with this if you needed to. All right, Bear. Thanks for that, Bear. Oh, we got the old BG fire starter. Never taking it out. A little magnesium rod action here. The can opener and a little scrapey scrape. A little scrapey scrape. I'll move this up a little bit. Yoink. Okay. Just some basic cordage. A little nylon cord. Probably replace that with some paracord. Little sewing kits. You never know when you need that to fix your stuff. What is that? Little camp matches. Yep. Long burning little matches. I wonder what that was right there. Looks like that fell off. Yeah, so that's the strip right there. The glue came off. Yeah, that's all right. Oh, a little fishing kit. Yeah, I remember this. Been a while since I actually opened this up. Got some hooks in here. Little sinkers, little fishing line. You can do some hand fishing. Got some hardware in there. Little trapping wire. Little copper wire. Maybe not copper, but... Oh, yeah, I always thought this was redundant. Another whistle. Takes up so little room. That's all it does. It's just a whistle. Maybe? Yeah. It's also a smoking pipe. You can hide your weed in there. Oh, a little mirror. Okay, a little Mylar blanket. Those are nice to have. And a little reflective mirror. Hey, I'm right here. I'm right here. Oh, got instructions on the back. Well, that's pretty cool. All right, and I've added some fire starter. Light those bad boys up. They go up real quick. I put 5 of them in there. A little plastic baggie. And I added a lighter. And so that is what's in my Bear Grylls little survival bag from Gerber. A few things I'd probably do with this kit. I've been meaning to do this, and I just keep saying I'm going to do it in my brain, but I never actually do it. But I need to do it. This, I don't know if it even works. This little flashlight. Oh no, emergency situation. I can't get in it. Gross motor skills are gone. All right, let's see. A little keychain light. I'm too dumb to work it? Is that the problem? Oh, yeah. Okay. The battery's got like a little plastic seal in there. Okay, so that's still pretty good, I bet. I'd probably, I don't know, whatever. And I'd replace that. That's what I'd do. This little cotton ball, that's fine. A little extra doesn't hurt. I'll probably stick it in here with this. Maybe the kerosene or whatever is on these will rub onto this one. Ooh, we can hope. Doubt it'll happen, but we can hope. And that little Gerber tool slick. Look at that. I'll probably keep that in here, so that way it's never lost when I need it. But yeah, I'll just add that. Some real fire starters. Take this out, replace it. I don't know what to do with this flashlight, other than spend 3 hours trying to figure it out. Oh, hang on. Did I say just pull? No, that is not what you're supposed to do. Huh? That's what the instruction says. Well, this is trash. Get it out of here. All right, well, there it is. Pretty much, if you want to have this in your bag, throw it in your car, it doesn't hurt to have this stuff, just in case you're out and about and you forget it. You know, you can always upgrade the flashlight to something like this wedge light, or that other light, the O light that I have. Probably have a knife in here, like a little knife. It's got a little knife on it, actually. Like I said, a little basic, easy Bear Grylls survival kit by Gerber. Little insurance policy. You probably could build this yourself with stuff you have. I do like the benefit of it having instructions on a few of the things. So, you know, your kids could figure this out. Maybe. I don't like that, though. Some of the stuff's cheap. Some of the stuff's pretty nice. But anyway, that's my review of my personal Bear Grylls Gerber made survival kit. See, it's got a little signature right there. I don't know if they even sell these anymore if they upgrade this. Bear Grylls isn't like as marketable as he used to be. You know, he used to have that TV show all the time, and I don't know if his show's even on anymore. This is 2025, man. Anyway, Ash from Fingerstrong. My phone's blowing up. Yeah.